They were right up there. I got him right in the face. I feel terrible. You know the guy with the AK? I think I got him in the face. That's all that was showing. Yeah. Do you know these are my first confirmed kills out of like 3 games? And I got my camera, right? I think it's my hat. Look at it.
Yeah, but again, they're in the dark part of the trees now. They're concealed. We are not.
Yeah, but they have orange bands. That's the only thing I can see. That's the only thing I can see. I know what you mean. They're hidden, aren't they? Yeah, I know what you mean.
Just far left then.
Two kills. Awesome.
2 kills, how many deaths? Like 50?
Yeah. Something like that.
That's just like a noob in COD.
Oh, I was recording to it.